Hello everyone. Here's an activity that's for the early phases of English literacy learning. It can be used for native English speakers or for students who are non-native English speakers. It's an encoding activity, or spelling activity if you prefer. I call it spelling sets. It gives lots of practice with spelling short words to match with images, and gets the students really thinking about the sounds and how to put them together to make the words. It also encourages autonomy. It encourages the students to think for themselves and figure things out for themselves, and helps them to not be afraid of making mistakes. Well, give the video a look, and if you think it's right for you and your students, try it out. And if you do try it, please leave comments below to let me know how it went for you.
Blue on blue.
Bag that you have the box that you need. One more time here. This is a cot. What's this? This is a jug. And this is a cot. You ready? Okay. Let's see how we doing here. We got cat, the egg, bag, n, jug, cot, and sick. Okay, there you go. Finished. Okay, let's see. Got cat, egg, bag, ten, jug. We need jug, and that's a little bit to hold on. It's a little bit different. This is cot, sick. Lived. Okay, you ready? Okay. So, here we go. How do you spell dog?
D-O-G.
D-O-G, good. How do you spell cry?
C-R-Y.
Very good. How do you spell hut?
H-U-T. C-A-P.
Good. One more. How do you spell mum?
M-U-M.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, you have your sheet. Oh, here's your checklist. You put your sticker on this one. You're all set. Thank you for visiting my channel and for watching the video. If you want to try this activity yourself, you can of course design and create your own version from scratch, but you're perfectly welcome to print out my version and save yourself a whole lot of trouble. To do that, go to the video description down below under this video window. You might have to click the Show More, but then you should see links to all the PDFs that you'll need, and you can print them out and use them as you see fit. You just can't market them or sell them or claim them as your own. Once you've printed them out, you'll need to make game tiles. So in just a few moments, I'm going to have a live link to a video that shows how I make my game tiles. And as a little extra bonus, I'm also going to have a link to the video that shows how I make game cards for when I need playing cards for games in my classroom. Alright then, don't forget the like button below, and here are the videos that I promised you. Ta-da! Oh look, there's even a subscribe button. Thanks again, and I wish you the very best in your teaching.
Blue on blue.